Day 1 of Linis Serye. This is what happened. Say hi, Ellie, my baby. This is clearing area here at our unit at Block 10, Lot 4, Matlang, Isabel, Leyte. Finally, we got our unit. Finally, nakuha na namin yung susi. Hi guys, abangan nyo ang aking mga susunod na mga vlog. This is the front area. This is the main door. And ito yung makikita nyo. Wala siyang kwarto. Diretso pa siyang ganyan. Madumi pa siya. Ayan, yung mga nahakot naming pasimula. Ayan. Maybe by next week makakalipat na kami dito. That's my husband. He's busy. This is Kaunlaran Village here at Matlang, Isabel, Leyte. Bye guys. Keep safe everyone. Yan lang muna for now.